Today is your first class of computer, so today we will do introduction class. As we know, today's world is an information rich world and it has become a necessity for everyone to know about computers. One question arises that what is computer? So a computer is an electronic data processing device which accepts and store data input, processes the data and generates the output in a required format. Required format in the sense means if you will input the data for addition, computer will give result of addition, and if you give the computer input for multiplication in the same way, in the same format, the computer give you output. The second topic, how computer works or the function of computer. The computer works on the rule, or we call it a IPO cycle, where I stand for input, P stand for process, O stand for output. IPO circle, input, process, output. Now I will tell you how the input, process and output work. In input unit is work. This unit contains devices with the help of which we enter data into the computer. This unit creates a link between the user and the computer. The input devices translate the information into a form of understandable by the computer. Means input, which we input the data, it's translated into the computer language. Computer language is binary language. Now process. In CPU means central processes unit. CPU is considered as the brain of the computer. CPU performs all types of data processing operations. It stores data, intermediate results and instructions. It controls the operation of all the parts of the computer. Now CPU itself has the following three components. First, ALU, arithmetic logic unit. Second, memory unit. Third, control unit. Now output unit works. And what is output unit? The output unit consists of devices with the help of which we get the information from the computer. This unit is a link between the computer and the users. Output devices translate the computer's output into a form of understandable by the user, means which we get on our screen as a result is translated computer language to our language, user language. Now see, this is the 5 steps that how the computer works. First step is takes data as input, which we put into the computer. This is input. Step 2, stores the data or instructions in its memory and uses them as required. Third step, process the data and converts into useful information. Fourth step, generates the output. And 5, controls all the above 4 steps in sequence wise. Now see the example. We put input like 2 plus 3 equals to 5, means we insert 2 plus 3 as an input, computer processes it and we get the answer 5 as a output. Now second is 2 multiplication 2 equals to 4. We input 2 multiplication 2 and as the output computer will give answer 4. Now 5 minus 2 equals to 3. Like this we will continue. Thank you.